Hi guys, welcome to Bright Trades, and today I'm going to be reviewing yesterday's trading day. I'm just gonna pretend like I knew the buyers. So since I'm still learning, and I hope you're learning with me too, as ICT said during back testing, you just pretend like you knew the buyers, right? So it's already marked out. That's Thursday, the 22nd. That green bar there, that's marked out by the vertical line. So I'm just gonna pretend that I knew that it was going up, right? So now let's drop down from the day to the 15-minute chart. All right, I'd already marked it up for 12 midnight. And the next one is when we begin our session looking for trades. That's 8:30. Okay. Okay. And then the end of our trading session, 4:30. Don't forget to mark out your lunch. That's 12 to 1. We do not trade during 12 to 1. We do not look for trades during lunchtime. All right. And also don't forget we are on New York time, so always make sure that you set to New York local time. All right. So what happened during the night from 12 to 8? It's more like it's a bit of a range. It was in the range. All right. So now we're at 8:30. We're expecting prices to go up, right? So what we'd expect to see is, let me just put a trend line here. This is our low. So I would expect to see price. I'll use the crosshairs to try and point out. I would have expected price to go lower here, to break this line, this low here, to do the swing, and then would have started looking for prices going up. But unfortunately, it did not break the line. So for me personally, I don't take the trade. I would have waited it out. But then, as you can see, the entire day didn't break down. They break lower than the trend line. Yeah, the low, previous low. So for yesterday, I wouldn't have traded because I can't see any trade inside. So it would have just been a lazy day yesterday. But that's all right. You don't need to trade every single day. And I might also just show you maybe the day before, sorry, Wednesday, right? Let's go to Wednesday and mark it out. So this is how I start all the time. I just put the lines. Wednesday midnight. Uh, 8:30. 4:30. So, according to the daily, let me take this off. All right. Let me take off what I'd done before, just so that it doesn't confuse anyone. So we're now looking at Wednesday. So Wednesday, if we go into our daily, where is it? Wednesday. It was bearish. So we dropped down to the 15-minute time frame. Look for Wednesday. There it is. We just enlarge the candles. Okay. Oh, I didn't put the lunchtime. So for me, I always put this since I'm still learning. Okay. So during the night, what happened? Just do a bit of a range of sorts. That's midnight to 8:30, and we're expecting a low. What's it called? We're expecting lows, a bearish day. Sorry, take a look. All right, so for lunchtime, we should look at this. It broke the high that was made during lunch. All right. So what we do is we drop down to the 5 minute and try and look for a trade. Let's see. Okay. On the 5 minute time frame, right there. Let me show you. So we got a fair value gap. But so for me, I don't normally like marking out my fair value gap from the points there, like the bottom of the bearish candle and the very top of the bullish candle there. I like just marking it out using the bodies. I seem to really get a lot of trades when I do that. There you go. So our entry would have been, since we're still learning, the moment its price touches the box, right? So since we're looking for a bearish trade, it'll be right there. That's where it touched the box. And our stop loss would have been on top of this candle here. Yep. And our target, our first target will be right here. That's where we'll take profit. But then for starters, as ICT said, all you need is 5 handles. So I'm using only 5 handles for now, since I'm still learning. So it's a risk reward ratio of 0.87. That's still fine. So it's just to make sure that you get confident in your trading. To just always get those 5 pips. The more you do it, the more confident you are to target these lower levels, and maybe be able to play around with your stop loss as well. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll be putting up trade reviews every day. So please do subscribe and like my channel and keep watching. Thank you.